Hello guys, this is Aude. Today you're going to learn how to use dates in everyday conversation. Thanks to this video, you'll be able to say your birthday or maybe to give an appointment date. Ready to step up your French? Let's start. Let's have a look at the targets together. Practicing is the best method to improve your skills. So each time you'll see this, that's your turn to speak. Do you know the days of the week in French? I'm sure you've heard them before. Quel jour on est? On est quel jour? These two questions have the same meaning. What day is it? The first one is a bit more formal. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi. Today is Monday. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Quel jour on est? On est quel jour? Quel jour on est? Now it's your turn to ask the questions. Aujourd'hui, c'est samedi. Aujourd'hui, c'est jeudi. Now let's have a look at the months and try to memorize the months of your birthday. Quel mois es-tu né? Tu es né quel mois? Those two questions mean which month were you born? Again, the first one is a bit more formal. Je suis né en mars. I was born in March. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Quel mois tu es né? Your turn. Je suis né en mars. The hardest part is numbers, but I'm going to give you some tips and then it's going to be a bit more easy. If you got some questions, please leave them below. Comment on dit en français? How do you say that in French? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That was pretty easy. Comment on dit en français? Well done. Your turn to ask a question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can easily recognize number 12 to 16. I'm going to show you that in a sec. Listen carefully. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. If you're having a look, 2, which is 2, and 12, which is 12, start with the same letter, and the pronunciation is quite similar. It's the same for the other numbers. 3, 13. 4, 14. 6, 16. Then you're going to wonder about 15, 15. An easy way to remember is 5, 5, ends with a Q. 15, 15, start with a Q. 17, 18, 19 are so easy. You need to know 10, 7, 8, and 9. 17, 18, 19. Now let's practice. Comment on dit en français? Your turn to ask the question. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Well done, guys. You've made it to 19. 20, which is 20, is a bit tricky because you can see 20, 20, or 20, which is wine. They've got the very same pronunciation, but one is 20, the number, and then the other one is 1. So make sure that you're not confused between those two. Listen to the next ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And the last two you need to know for your birthday, 30, 31, 30, 31. Be careful, guys. For 21 and 31, in French we say 20 and 1, 30 and 1. 21, 31. Comment on dit en français? Your turn. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Now you can answer the following question. C'est quand ton anniversaire? When is your birthday? Mon anniversaire, c'est le 11 mars. Did you get that? Mon anniversaire, c'est le 11 mars. My birthday is on the 11th of March. C'est quand ton anniversaire? Your turn. Mon anniversaire, c'est le 11 mars. Dates are part of everyday life. Let's imagine you've got an appointment to the dentist. Then you can ask a few questions related to that. C'est quand ton rendez-vous? When is your appointment? So be careful, guys. In French, rendezvous can be used for an appointment, just like this question, or it can be a date for lovers. So we've got two different meanings. C'est quand ton rendez-vous? C'est le lundi 15 septembre. C'est quand ton rendez-vous? Your turn. C'est le jeudi 20 juillet. Great work, guys! Now you can use dates in everyday life conversation. So what's your next step? Please check out that playlist on basics to practice and learn a bit more about numbers, the alphabet, or how to introduce yourself. À bientôt!